Hello. I am going to attempt this year to have an extra double digit message for each of you from Adironnda on the 23rd of the month because you've got 2323 or 23 2023. There's kind of a lot of twos and threes there. And I just I just feel led in my guided writing and in my messages to actually bring you an additional message than the one that we do in the double digit activations once a month and the one that we do on the spiritual happy hour twice a month or more and the one that we do wherever we are on the Channelers Academy or the Channelers Method or the How to Channel class. I am going to attempt to do it consistently every month on the 23rd. So, this is for 12323. I'm going to get out of the way in a quick way, and then we'll go from there. So it is good day to you, huh? Ho, 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 ho. So very good to see you out there in virtual reality. Wouldn't you love to be in virtual reality all of the time? We believe with the dimensional shifts that are going on, you may feel like you are in an external dimensional reality most of the time. So here we are. We nudge our vessel Marilyn to do many, many things. And as we nudge her, she says yes to some, no to others. And then we sort of nudge her a bit stronger. Huh? So here we are with you, breathing into the 2023. Or if you want to make it that double digit, you've got 12323. Well, which all adds up to a 13, which again is a 4, which is a foundation. We've got the 222 of 2023, and we've got the 111 of 2023. We've got all of that energy that adds up to the ending of a cycle and the beginning of a new cycle. So this is what you're doing right now, is you are laying down the foundation for the next 11 years. So when you are laying down a foundation, what is it that you do? Huh? Think about that. When you are laying down a foundation for your plants, when you are laying down a foundation for your home, where you are laying down a foundation for a new project, what is it that you do first? Well, you clean out the container, yes? If it's a plant, you clean out the container and make sure that there's no bugs or anything in there that's going to hurt your plant. And then you lay down maybe a foundation of rock, or you get a special pot that's got a hole in it, or you put the clay in the bottom of it. And then you put good dirt on top of that with the plant. And then you love it, feed it, nurture it, and water it. It is the same with any foundation. You see, that is what this time is about. Your foundation. Look it up in the book, Double Digitology. You can do that. It is a 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 all adds up to a 13. 1 plus 3 equals a 4. That is foundation. That is searching for balance. When you build a home, you lay the foundation down first, yes? You dig out the old earth and put strong core, we don't know what, wires or bricks or concrete or something, into the earth to hold the firm support for your home or whatever it is that you're building. When you put the foundation down for a project, well, You clear the space in your life to work on a new project. And then you sort of brainstorm everything and get all the ideas down on paper or post-it notes or however you wish to work. And then you look at where the starting point is, not where you're going to be in 10 week or 5 week or 5 day, but where you start. And you anchor that energy in. That is what you are doing right now in your life for the next 11 years. What type of foundation are you creating? And it is important to pay attention to everything that is around you. It is important to pay attention to those details that you may have let go of because things were not being paid attention to or you were complaining about it, instead of looking for the solution for it to see how you can help or be of service. We could give you example after example after example of people's lives that we have observed, even our own vessel Marilyn, and the joy. They're learning to not complain, but to ask questions and provide the solution. If you are pulling in a crew, if you are pulling in, you are the only one that is responsible for your foundation. If you are pulling in a crew, you've got to get the right people in the jobs, yes? You've got to get that avenue of action and that frequency of clarity, yes? Or if you're going to do the task yourself, you've got to start with your foundation. Do you have the correct tools to do the job? Do you have the correct software, hammers, plugins, whatever? So you see, dearest, this time, starting today, and through this next month, in February, at least until the 2/23/23, or the 2/22/23, which is the double digit day. No, it is not on 2/2, because we'll have triple digits whenever we can get them. So that is also a part of your foundation. When you listen to that frequency of the month that we gave to the vessel Marilyn, you see that this month, this time is very significant for you and your life and for the life of all in this planet, on this planet, and in this planet. For you see, dearest beings of light, living the way you do is an example for all energies that are around you. Living the way you do is a frequency that radiates out beyond your personal vibration. You want to live at the highest vibration possible, yes? So that raises your frequency, so you attract the energy of others that have a high vibration and a high frequency. And when you don't feel like you're attracting the right sort of vibration or frequency, stop. Take a deep breath and say to yourself, what shall I do differently? What shall I connect in that is in a different capacity, in a different frequency, in a different energy? What can I do? Not what are they doing, or what are they doing, or what is this happening over here, but what can I do? Every great teacher starts the lessons with I. I love you. Love yourself. And then you can love others. You see what we mean? So understand that in this frequency of laying down this foundation that you are right now, whether you like it or not, see what you personally can do to ignite, to start, to build the best foundation possible. And for that, you will be a happier, more love filled being of light. For as you know, we love you more than you can possibly imagine. We love you, to quote the movie, to infinity and back again. Yes. We are with the vessel Marilyn, and we see what she does and how she responds to things, which is how she gets to be an example sometimes, because that is her task. She is indeed, dearest beings of light, striving to be the best human that she can be and live in service and love. We know you are as well. We are here to help, to assist, so you can live your best life ever right now, in this moment. We love you. We see you. We know you. We bid you namaste. Namaste. Well, there you have it. It's going to be a great time, don't you think? I plan to see you next month on 123, no, 22323, which is the day after the 22222. No, the day after the 2. Sorry, I'm not quite completely back in my body. I shouldn't really try to talk before I get back in my body. At least that's what I say in the Channeler's Method, our new course that we have online. Anyway, where you could learn too. Anyway, I love you all. See you around. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.